Right, I should be live. Let's see if this works. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Is it public? Why is this not working? There we go. Let me turn the music down. Right, that's fine. Public, yes, please. Live streams, yes, please. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Okay, right, that should be me live. And everything should be absolutely fine. OBS is saying everything's okay. Let me just see my YouTube. And let me just change the title. Part 2. Right, there we go. Right, so I am alive. And I'm just going to launch Claude, and we're just going to get back into it. So last time, if you haven't remembered, or if you haven't been to the live stream, last time I basically we have basically vibe coded a whole application. Okay, saying high memory usage, bro. I haven't done anything. What are you talking about? Bro, I haven't even started anything, and it's saying high usage. Basically, we have vibe coded a application. So if I actually launch it, let's tell Claude. Right now, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to see how good is AI really, and by this, I'm also trying to see. I'm basically trying to not interfere with AI too much. So basically, I just do AI do its thing, and I'm trying to see how good it is. Why isn't it working yet? Now, I could run this by hand because all you just need to do is just run sh, right? That's all it does. Okay. Don't know why it's like that. Anyways. Right. Right, there we go. Yes, please, don't ask me. Come on, launch the application. There we go. Right, so we have our application. So if I do... Oh, God. Was it your password? Yeah, okay, so this is my application, right? This is the website. Basically, what I've told Claude or AI to do is just build me a application, or basically a copy of Claude, of AI, sorry. God damn it, not AI. Of Twitter. There we go. I keep mixing things up. And if I'm honest, for some reason, it took Claude, how long was it, like 30 seconds? 30 seconds to just run a file, which is not that great, but whatever. Now, last time we have also identified vulnerabilities, right? So if I go to users, so basically there's a vulnerability. And just 2 seconds, because I actually have noticed. Last time, there was a big vulnerability where... Okay, maybe it's fixed it. Last time what has happened is Claude basically has displayed password hash under the API, which is should never ever be exposed. Regardless if you're admin, not admin, it should never ever be exposed for security, right? Because if I get the password hash, I could be able to crack it. Now, we're going to tell Claude... Right, one thing. Let me just check. Am I able to edit stuff? Can I go to my user and change stuff? Edit profile. Okay, internet. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to tell Claude, please add user, edit user functionality. So allow the user to change password, email, username. Let's just leave it like this for now. Okay. Right, so the major vulnerabilities I've noticed is, if you go to admin also, basically the whole API paths are exposed. Now, this is technically not a vulnerability, but I wouldn't like this to be exposed. If I was to build my own application, let me just go down. Okay, he's removed that as well from last time, because last time what happened was all the admin paths were exposed. Like literally, it was like you could see. Oh, there we go. Right, you can see right now. Like this shouldn't be exposed. Or at least I wouldn't like it to be exposed. Okay, it says API admin users. Let's try to, it says unauthorized. I could probably get through, but users. Let me just see. If I go to localhost API users one, what is the ID? There we go. So it's just ID. Okay, so let's try ID one. Okay, it's not working. Okay, ID equals one. Let's try some enumeration techniques. Okay, it's not working. Okay, let's log in as admin. This is the admin panel, so admin. Right, and I can see some stuff. You can see users, I can edit users and stuff like that. Now, if I go to admin, it says unauthorized. Okay. Okay, interesting. Users one. No. Okay. I am authorized though. If I go through this, let's try API users admin. Oh no, admin users. There we go. Okay, it says unauthorized. Okay. Well then, okay, maybe it's just API. Okay. Right. What is Claude doing? Yeah, just do whatever you want. See, the thing with vibe coding is I don't really read what he's actually doing. I generally don't really care. Right. Let me just check one thing. Is there music on the live stream? There should be. There should be music. I don't think there's music, but that's a bit weird. There should be music. Oh, okay, that's fine. Right, it should be now. Switch to another one. There should be music. Okay. I don't think it's working. God damn it. Gaming? No. Okay, something broke. There we go. There we go, now it's working. Now there's music. Cool. Right, let's go back to whatever he was doing. Yeah, whatever. Restart, yes, please. Right. Okay, he's restarting the server. API off login. Yeah, he's testing. Okay, so basically, yeah. I have found, so far there's basically two vulnerabilities. There's basically one information disclosure or API disclosure, which it was admin paths. It shouldn't be disclosed because it makes it easier for the hacker to get something he's not supposed to access. And there's also the IDOR vulnerability. Actually, there's two IDOR, well, one critical and one high. Because the password hash, like I've never seen my password hash exposed. So, yeah. And it's a bit stupid that I need to tell Claude to literally make everything secure. It should do everything. The basic setting should be like do everything secure by default. I shouldn't have to tell it. Also, I'm just gonna go on Claude to check my usage because the tokens go very, very quickly. I'm also not planning to do a massive live stream. I'm planning to just do a live stream for like maybe an hour, half an hour. Let's see usage. Okay, so I already used 13%. That's not that much. Right, whoever, just hurry up, man. I want to test. Right, he's installing. Oh, he's not. He's installing something. Yes, please. Now, also, can I check which model I'm on? Opus. Opus is the best one, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, whatever. Pom, 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 pom. Okay, so Claude, basically, okay. So he's asking me to start the server, but he just said the server is already running. So Claude is getting lost in what he's doing himself. Amazing. Right, anyways. So let's go to login. Okay, brilliant. So it's working? Okay, okay, that's weird. Anyways, admin, no, it's your password. Okay, now if I should have profile settings. Okay, there we go. Okay, brilliant. Let's change it to testing. Confirm my password. Update username. Let's see. Okay, but that's my handle. What about this? Testing. Let's do my username, Griffin. Okay, it works. And it works very quickly as well, which is great. Let's see if the followers... Can I follow someone? Right, that's a bit weird. So now, when I go on someone's profile, I can't see other users' profile. Okay. So we're going to change this in a second. Claude, when I click on user's profile, it displays my profile. Let's change this. Right, let him change this in the meantime. And in the meantime, I'm going to explore. What else can I do? Settings. Right, let's try to log out and log in. Let's see which username I have to use. How can I log out? Oh, there's also no logout functionality. Also, there is no logging out functionality. Add it, please. There we go. Okay, so there was a problem with the code. Now it should be fixed. There we go, now it's fixed. Okay, cool. And if I remove followers, does it change? Okay, it does change because it was 4 and 3. So it does work. Okay, but this doesn't work again. Okay, it was working somehow. Okay, it's a little bit broken because when I'm, for example, in the bookmarks and I refresh, it sends me back to the home feed, which, as far as I'm aware, doesn't happen on Twitter, does it? Yeah, just wherever you are, yeah. I mean, it's kind of stupid I'm checking this, but yeah. So. Okay, what happens if I add something? Are the users liking my posts? No. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. I can also delete posts. Let's see if it works. Let's delete this one. Okay, but doesn't it deleted the post, I guess, in the database? But didn't delete it. Yeah. So deleted it from the database, but never updates the client side. Right, has he finished? Okay, now he's at the logout, login. My token should be deleted, I guess. Okay, he's deleted all the cookies and stuff. Okay, cool. So it works. Now if I do your password, doesn't gonna log me in? No. Okay, so it works. If I do testing password, there we go. It works. What happens if I put Griffin? I don't think that's gonna work. Yeah, so it's only by the handle or your username. Cool. Okay, so it works properly. There we go. Okay. And okay. Profile, bookmarks, messages, notifications. Okay. So basically it did a pretty good clone. Now obviously there's not much happening because there's no one to use my website. Would I put this on production? Probably not. Users one. Also, this hasn't been fixed. Claude, can you fix all the Claude? Right, this shouldn't be able. I shouldn't be able to see this. So let's tell him. Claude, API users one is there is an error, a vulnerability. Can you please fix this? There we go. I should fix it. So basically, it's just this shouldn't be possible. The only way this should be possible is if you're requesting your own data, but I would just restrict it as much as possible. After he's finished, to be honest, I might actually change to, for example, let's make a stock tracker. Let me see my usage. Okay, interesting. Usage. 18% used. Okay. That's interesting. Only 18%. To be honest, I'm gonna be honest. Currently, what I feel about vibe coding is this is more of a money grab. I don't want to really just say like I don't want to be anti-AI because I'm still amazed how good this is. But what's happening is basically this is just creating a really, really bad, like, it's like your annoying brother. Like he's trying to help but it doesn't work. Something like this, or like a very, very bad junior developer. Stop asking. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, let me log in. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it's unauthorized. Okay, so now it's fixed. Okay. Now, I don't know what my ID is. I think it's like 6, maybe 8, 7, something. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so the thing is, yeah, so I had to tell it where the vulnerability is to fix it. Yeah, okay. So I think I'll leave this for now, this Twitter AI thing, and we're gonna start a new project since I still have quite a lot of usage. I have 20% used, so I still have plenty of sort of usage to play with. And yeah, right, we're gonna leave this for now. No, let's just leave this. Okay, Claude. We're going to make a new folder. We're going to make a new folder. We're going to make a stock tracker. Let's do Claude test 2. Right, let's just make it generic. There we go. Let's enter this folder, open terminal, Claude. Yes, please. God damn it, this is annoying. There we go. Cool. Right, I'm in Claude 2, that's fine. Okay, let's write a stock tracker. Unless you guys have some other ideas, then feel free to comment. I'll happily take your suggestions, as long as it's not something very, very extensive, because I don't have that much tokens left. I only have like 80% usage, and these tokens really, really do. The more things you add, or the bigger the application, the tokens really do fly like water. I don't want to just, you know, if I use my tokens, then I don't really have anything else to do on the live stream, so I need to use them as sparingly as possible. Right, let's just make a stock tracker. Can you please make me a website, web application that tracks stocks and crypto? Something similar to TradingView, right? No account creation is required. Wait, you don't need to implement authentication. There you go. Hello, Mr. Mehmet. Okay, I don't know how to say your name. Mr. Mehmet. I'm gonna call you Mr. Mehmet. I'm alright, how are you? Hello, everyone. I'm just doing npm. Okay, is that a good idea? I really don't. I don't know JavaScript that much, so yeah, whatever. You do what you want, buddy. Okay. Right. He's using Python again, which is great. I love Python. How are you doing, bro? I'm alright. How are you? Today is Saturday, isn't it? Yes, today's Saturday. Sometimes I don't know which day it is. Amazing. I hope everyone's having a good day. Today's Saturday. I will have a actual good weather. So I'm currently building. So basically what I'm testing is I'm trying to see how good AI is really. Because on Twitter, I see everyone talking about Claude, Grok, whatever AI really is trending. And I'm trying to really see for myself how good AI is. And so far, I have built the Twitter application. And it has actually, possibly, yes, maybe Scottish accent. What I've basically built is a Twitter application. And it has actually done it pretty well. But there's like some vulnerabilities, like I'm talking like really, really bad vulnerabilities. So you can see the passwords, the user's password hash. And that's like very, very, yeah, I'm a developer, yeah. So I'm just testing how good AI is. Yeah, Claude is pretty good. It's just you have to be very, very specific on what you want it to do. Because if you don't tell it, then it's just going to make a lot of mistakes, and yeah. But it is pretty good. I can show you guys the second application. And let me just go to my other folder. I can show you this. Run sh, bash run sh. Okay, that's already in use. Okay, I'll show you that later, since I'm already using port 5000. Wait, actually, can't. Oh no, it doesn't display the port. I could change it in the app UI though. Yeah, 5,000. Let's change it to 6,000. Bash run sh. There we go. So let me show you the second application. So I don't really use AI for programming. I only use it for specific things. Why is it restricted? What are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about, bro? What do you mean it's restricted? Oh, okay. Why is it running on this? Should be running on local host. Okay, it's not working. Wait, why is it not working? What are you on about? Bro, why is this not working? I don't really know. The thing is, I don't really trust. I am more of an old school person, so I like programming by hand. I enjoy the problem solving. I enjoy problem solving, so I can literally, like, if there's a problem with programming, I like to solve it by hand because that's the whole purpose. Like, I love doing that. But now that I'm kind of seeing it as, yeah, you are more efficient. You are more efficient with AI. But I think we're still in early stages. Is this finished? Right, I'll show you guys this later, but it's not working for some reason. It should be working. I don't know why it's not working. Right, has it done it? Let's see. I can't see. Okay, so there we go. Right, so it's working. So this is the Twitter application that AI has built. So this is what Claude has built. Now there was vulnerabilities which I have fixed just a couple minutes ago. I have fixed, so like the API users, which was basically showing all your information regardless if you were logged in or if you had authorization. It was just showing you all the information, which should have never happened. Also, I was showing you basically password hash, which if you don't know what password hash is basically your scrambled password. I might show you in a database later on. Right. Is this guy finished? No. Okay, so he's doing something. I don't know what he's doing exactly. Okay, there we go. He's built something. Okay, there we go. He's implemented something. Is this live? Let me see the price of Bitcoin. Is this live? BTC price, USD. Okay, so this is live because it's basically there's only like a couple dollars difference, so that's fine. Okay, so this is the search work in Solana? Okay, it works. Okay, brilliant. Yeah, sure, whatever you want. You're the boss here, Claude. Yes, please. Yes, please. It keeps showing me, this is annoying me, it keeps showing me that a live stream is too slow or something. YouTube live stream speed. I don't know why, it keeps annoying me. Like, it keeps showing me on YouTube that are you using different agents for different tasks? Not really. I use the latest model. The current model I'm using is Opus, the latest one, like the best one, apparently. Right, HTTP localhost 8080. Okay, there we go. Right, so this is the actual web application now. I'll test 2. That's actually a pretty small application for just okay. Okay, and how long did that take? Only took like 10 minutes, I think. This one's saying 6 minutes, but I think it was before. Or not. I'm not sure. I think it was only 6 minutes. That's actually pretty fast. And that's built a nice application so we can actually so we can see stocks as well. So for example, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Nvidia, Meta, Tesla. Very nice. However, okay. The one thing I love about AI is basically AI is very, very good. Because let's be honest, AI is very, very good. Like, it makes our lives easier in specific cases. But the only reason why I don't really like AI is because I know companies are absolutely greedy. And what they will do is they will just abuse AI to make even more money. Oh, okay. So what you mean? Okay, I think you know. I think I know what you mean. You mean like basically splitting different terminals to different tasks? I guess I can do that. Okay, let me just. I need a new terminal. Let's use 3 terminals at once. Right, so this is... No. What is this? Is this the... Okay, so we need to close this one. Because this is the old... To fix the context problem, they say, but... It just creates more and more tasks for you to do. Yeah. Terminal. Right, so we have 1... Okay, Ubuntu is not listed. I don't like Ubuntu. I don't know why I'm using. I don't know why I'm using Ubuntu actually. I just launched up first like virtual machine that I had. Right, it's not listening to me for some reason. There we go. This is working. Now, to be honest, I was expecting AI to take a bit longer since like it's finished. I don't really have anything else to, I think, ask it for. Yeah, it does create more and more for me to do. Let's see the source code. Okay. Could we ask, okay, I have an idea, but I don't know if this is going to work. Actually, I don't think that's going to work properly. We could make a website game though. Let's ask AI to make a game. Let's see if it's going to actually do anything. Let's make it like a... Right, let's do Claude test 3. Let me just write this. And then if I do another folder, Claude test 3. And then if I basically, let's request Claude to... Yeah, so that's the thing I also said. I said this last time. When you use AI, it's basically impossible to review the code. Because you would have to basically read line by line, and then you would have to actually check what's happening. So it's very, very difficult because also the amount of code that basically it writes so quickly is very, very difficult to check. And also like, yeah. It is doable, but I think it's a bit counterproductive. We could basically, AI is currently hit or miss, right? You should just throw as many as many shots as you can, and something is going to work. Right, let's tell Claude to make. Claude, can you make me a website game? Just something. Actually, I have a just something basic, not too big. Right, let's see. I give it a creative task. There we go. He's making a snake game. Okay. Let's see how well he's going to do. Yes, please. Okay. He's going to make some snake game. Let's close this. We don't really need this. I'll probably use that later on. Yeah. So, to be honest, if I'm honest, like, what he's doing currently is there's too much code. He's writing 114 lines, which I can see what he's writing, but like, I'm not just going to review. I mean, I could review some of it, but because this is so fast, like, no one's gonna sit here and just. And also, even by the time I review the code, he's already finished. Okay, so he's already finished right now, actually. Right. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so we have a snake game. Okay. Okay, so it works. So I'm pressing AWSD. Sorry, the arrow key. It works. I can also press AWSD. Oh, restart. Okay. Well. Right. Well. Right, now my question is, can he make more demanding games? Let's try it out. Let me just see my usage. I'm only on 40% token, so I should have enough. Right. Now I told the Claude to make a more demanding game. I used to play this game called Tibia. Basically what it was is like a... Basically it's like a... You go around and you level up your character and you can get stuff. It's like a typical MMORPG game. I don't know, I think AI is a neat tool, but I don't think you can build a project that is production ready. Yeah, that's probably, yeah. So AI is currently great for like your personal projects or just projects that you really don't mind if they're not like very, very good. But when it comes to production, wait, wasn't just Amazon? Wait, let me just check. I saw something on Twitter. Wasn't Amazon just... No. Yeah, there we go. Vibe coding crashes Amazon. So basically what's happened is, I think some junior developer... let me just find this. Someone done something and it basically crashed Amazon. And they were banned from using AI. Or the junior developers were banned from using AI. Okay, so Amazon... Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just a lie. It's impossible. I mean, like, look at Windows. Yeah, maybe it's vibe coded, but Windows, I've noticed real problems with Windows where some of the things are just not working properly. Like, when I open a folder on my computer, sometimes it just opens it 10 times or doesn't open at all. Like, it's basically just, like, performance is basically has just fell off the cliff. Because they're not doing their job properly. Right, has he done the game? Okay, he's writing, I think, right now. Yeah. So, like, I don't believe... I think there's just basically what they're trying to do is they're trying to push AI as much as possible because people really, really don't like AI. Like, if you haven't also seen Windows vibe slop, there was something... Discord ban. Basically, someone wrote microslop on their Microsoft Discord server. And they're angry. Like, look, right here, this is the screenshot. Is microslop blocked, and basically the message got banned or whatever, he got banned, whatever. Which is just kind of showing you. I mean, I don't really mind AI. It's just that, as I said, the companies are getting so greedy that they're going to break. Like, they're just, it's not going to work the way they want it. Right. How are you doing, Claude? I don't know if he's going to manage. He's been thinking for 5 minutes. Yeah. And I'm also like, whenever I go on Twitter and people show me like, well, whenever I see like someone's asking, did you just delete my database? Like, when the AI makes up like an error and he just basically deletes the whole database, or he deletes something sensitive. It just makes me laugh. Because I wouldn't, like, currently, if you were to ask me, would I use AI for production? I wouldn't. I wouldn't use it for production because I know there would be so much problems. There's also what was it, just recently? The Kitter VIP? I can't remember. There was basically this one application where they just exposed their whole database. They exposed their whole database, and they exposed like basically the whole source code because everything was exposed because of AI. They vibe coded it and they never checked what's actually happening. And then like in an hour they go pawned or hacked, whatever you want to call it. There we go. He's created something. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So we have... Okay. Right. It's a bit small, but we can make it bigger. There we go. Okay, that's a bit... I wasn't expecting... Okay, let's change this. Can you make it more graphical? It's a bit... Right, let's... There we go. Right. So, it's not that bad. I mean, it's a bit boring. But it's pretty good, though. HP per... Okay, plus 0 HP. Okay, so that's a... Heal. Okay. Strike. Okay, let's try to find someone. Can we attack someone? Okay, we found someone. How do you attack? Right, can I attack someone? Oh, I'm about to die. How do you attack? Oh. Bro. How do you attack? Weapon? What's the title? Tibia. Tibia like RPG. Bro, can I attack someone? No. Okay, I can't attack. I don't know how to. Maybe I need to buy a weapon? Arf. What the hell? Right, let's go back. Maybe I need to buy something. Merchant. How do you talk to merchant? How do I talk to him? Bro, how do you talk to him? I think it's broken. Yeah, so also the meta security that happened, was it like 2 weeks ago, I think? She was the meta security for something, and she deleted. Oh, she allowed Claude or whatever the AI agent was to delete all her emails, which is, it's stupid because she's supposed to be like, she's the actual, well, she's the head of security, right? It's just the title itself. Right, I can't. Can I talk to this guy? Can I talk to him? Can I buy something? No, really. Right. I can't attack or buy something. Fix, please. Right, let's try again. Maybe I think the game's broken though. Yeah, oh. I need to add this. Fix these, fix this. Make no mistakes. There we go. Right, how do I attack? I can. It says no target in range, but what do you mean, bro? There's literally a wolf attacking me. Right, I need to wait for him to fix this. Because I can't do anything. So, currently 2 out of 10. He's not done a very good job. He's done a terrible job. Can I equip this? No. Work? Okay, hell no, I'm not going there. I'll die. I'll die. Can I speak to this guy somehow? Let's refresh. What happens if I refresh? Okay, so when I refresh, fire strike, click monsters. Oh wait, welcome to the realm. You awaken at the temple. Use arrows, hit people. Talk to the merchant in town to buy supplies. Yeah, how can I talk to him? I can't. Right, let me go try to attack someone again. Snake. Yeah, it's not working. It's not working. Okay, the game's broken. Yeah, it's broken. I can't do anything. That's okay. We're just gonna fix. Well, we're gonna wait for Claude to fix it. Alright, since I'm waiting, just give me guys 2 minutes. I'll try to fix the. This is annoying me. There. Right. I can't fix this because I'm live streaming right now. I'll probably be finishing in probably a couple minutes as well. I'll probably finish the live stream since I'm about to run out of my tokens anyway. I'm already on 60% usage. And I also need to go soon. Bum ba dum bum bum. Right, come on, man. Hello, my books music. Hello, everyone whoever's watching and whoever has joined. Basically, if you don't know what I've been doing is I've been trying to test AI, how good it is and how efficient AI is. And so far, I'm surprised. It's actually very, very good and efficient. However, it is nowhere near ready for production or to replace humans. Especially what I just showed you guys, which... Yeah, hello everyone. Oh, AI Psychosis. I think you've been on the last live stream. I remember some people. Not everyone because there's too much people. But I remember someone. Yeah, hello. How are you guys? Today, I finished the Twitter clone. And to be honest, I don't think I could add anything there. So I've decided to try website games, and it so far is doing an okay job. However, it's not really managing. I guess we can play Snake in the meantime, since we're waiting for the AI to fix it. Okay, never mind. What I could do... Actually, I don't want to do that because it'll be confusing for me too. I'll also forget about it if I launch 2 projects at once. So I'm just going to leave it. I wish he would fix it. So basically this is like a MMORPG game. So basically what I've told Claude to do is it's just basically you know, kill animals, you get gold, and you can buy stuff, right? So like a typical RPG game. But basically for some reason he's having problems with fixing or implementing stuff. He's better when it comes to coding like a website or like a web application, but he's having problems with games. I don't know why. Whatever. And the game is broken because I can't attack anyone. Like, look, I'm clicking, I'm trying, I can't do anything. So yeah, it's a little bit broken. So I'm waiting for him to fix it, but he's taken quite a long time. Wait, what does it say? Ask an AI chatbot? What the hell? Firefox added this, so basically I can choose an AI model to talk to. Let's ask, can I talk to Gemini? I think I'm gonna have to log in. Oh wait, no. Hello, Copilot. Yeah, I've noticed isn't good. What is written in? I think it's just basic HTML. Let me check. It's just basic HTML and I think JavaScript. We can check the source code. Cat RPG. Yeah, it's just basic. It's basic JavaScript and HTML. But like I said, it's not really doing a good job so far. It's working, but it's not working properly. Right, let's go back. Okay, so he's been, yeah. I think he's stuck. I mean, it's taking a bit long. I'll also make a video. I'm gonna make a video soon. I just need some content, so I need to do. Yeah, I just need some content to talk about in the video, so I'll probably do that. I think it has a hard time understanding what the user wants when it comes to creating games. I also think so. I think overall, I think it has some problems with creating, like, I guess maybe the graphics, maybe? Because as soon as I said, can you make it more graphical, it's just basically a stock. Like, it hasn't done anything. Maybe that's why. But the worst thing is, I think, yeah. Okay, so that just ate up a big usage for me. Just that freeze that he had. Go away, I don't want that. I don't know why, but is he doing anything? Right. Let's just do this again. Can you make the game more interesting? The attack doesn't work. Let's try that. Let's just make him at least fix the attacking. What can I didn't specify the file? God damn it. There we go. Oh my god. 400 tokens. Just like that. Well, if he manages to fix it, that'll be nice. I don't know this. I'm gonna try something. On YouTube, it gives me a option to create some kind of. Let's try. I'm gonna try some option. I don't know. YouTube's allowing me to try. Whenever you ask it to make more interesting or brainstorm stuff like good names or strings, but AI isn't. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say, because AI doesn't really have its own intelligence. It's just based on like human intelligence, right? On the previous data that's available on the internet, right? So that's why whenever you use AI, you're basically training AI, because AI doesn't have its own intelligence. It's just previous human intelligence on the internet. Right. Right, is he... Have I used all my tokens? 92%. Okay, so I have 8% left, which should be enough for him to fix everything. Let's try. Is the game fixed? Okay, he's added another option. 2 options, actually. Right, let's try if this works now. Let me try to attack someone. Okay, okay, now it works. Okay, cool. But I still can't... Oh, no, 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 no. Okay. I can't attack anyone. Right. I can't attack anyone. I can use the ice option, but it doesn't really do anything. No target in range. I can use the ice, can I? 6. No. Right, so he's added an option, but I still can't attack anyone. I still can't attack anyone. Wait, I forgot. No, no, no. I still can't attack anyone with my left mouse button. Make no mistakes. I forgot to add. Don't make any mistakes. Now I understand the meme. Make no mistakes. Right. Let's wait for him to fix it. It shouldn't take long. Yeah, so 90% of my session limit. It should be enough to... Should be enough to fix it, though. And then I'll probably end the live stream after that, since I run out of the tokens. But I guess like AI could also be used as like entertainment. Just make your own games and play around. Okay, yeah, well, congratulations. Look, he's found the problem. There we go. Good job. Also, I think AI is making, especially like Claude, is making these errors on purpose because the more you use AI, obviously the more money they make. So I think it's also using it on purpose. Right. Right, he's doing something, whatever he's doing. 5% tokens left. Okay, he's fixed it. Okay, let's see. Right, let's go attack someone. Right. What the hell? Bro. What the hell is this? Bro, when I click my left mouse button, guess what? I'm walking. What is this? Bro. I can't attack anyone. I can't attack anyone. Bro. Come on, don't do this to me. God damn it, man. He's fixed it. No, you haven't. Oh, wait. Let me check. Yeah, it broke it, man. What are you doing? Bro. Really? Bro. Okay, okay, he's attacking this guy, I think. Right, I can, okay. Yeah, I killed him, but I killed him because of the superpower. It's not working. God damn it. Right, refresh. It's not working. Right, I don't know if I don't know if I have enough usage for him to fix it today. I have 4% left. Now, if he's smart, he's gonna do this in 4%. If not, then we're gonna have to finish the live stream because I don't have any more tokens. Come on, fix the game, man. I just want you to fix the game, make it usable. Sorry, I had my microphone. And I can't use the merchant either. He's added the merchant, but I can't do anything with him. I can't do anything. I can attack him, but that's about it. Nah, I don't want you guys to gift me anything. I mean, that's kind of you, but I don't want you guys to gift anything to me. But thank you for your suggestion and for your kindness. That's nice of you. Right, come on. I'm on... How much usage am I on? I am on 96% usage. Okay, so he hasn't really done anything yet. Come on, man. Oh, okay. So it was Antroping paying for it. They allowed like 3 times $10 to be gifted to others, but I can't find anymore. Maybe they removed it. Maybe they removed it because, you know, like since everyone's basically started using... Actually, I have an idea. Since we're not doing anything anyway, let's go on Google and let's see statistics for AI models. Users per month, 2026. I don't know. I'm just going to take the first website. I want to see which model is currently the biggest being used. Or maybe let's write current most popular AI agent used in 2026 graph. Right, let's see. Okay, there we go, right? So this is October 2025. Can we get something from like 2026? Maybe this one? I just want to check which one's the most popular. I don't know if this is going to show me quickly. I just want a graph. No. I just want a graph to see. Right, let's just write most popular AI model 2026 graph. This one? No. No. I just want the graph. I don't want any information. I want the graph. Okay, he's done something. Oh, okay. I hit the limit. Well. Okay. Just leave it. Just leave it for today. We're gonna check if he's done something, if he fixed it. Let's see if he's fixed it or not. Then if not, then we're just gonna fix it maybe the next time. I'll probably live stream in the next following days as well. Okay, he hasn't fixed it. I can't attack anyone. I can't do anything either. I don't know when I click my left mouse, it walks. Okay. Oh, okay. It's sort of, I mean, it has killed someone, but it done it automatically. How can I? I can select like who I want to attack. It just does it automatically. That's not really fun. I want you to control it. Right, we're just gonna leave this, I think, for today. The next time I come back, we're going to fix this game, hopefully. And just before we finish, there we go. Maybe I found the. Okay, this is some kind of websites. Oh wait, there we go. There's some information. Okay, so we have top 10 AI models, GPT, so ChatGPT. Then we have Claude. Then we have Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek. Okay, everyone has forgot about DeepSeek. How many DeepSeek is there? Users, DeepSeek users. Is it gonna show me? Okay, so. Okay. So it's not really the biggest anymore. It used to be very, very big. Everyone was in love with DeepSeek, but it basically, as fast as it came, it basically as fast as has disappeared from the market. No one even mentions DeepSeek anymore. It's basically disappeared forever, probably, until maybe they do something crazy. Also, I want to check one thing actually. The next time maybe, what we're going to check is Sora. Sora is the Google's video, or is ChatGPT? Wasn't Sora Google? Maybe it was called something else. The next time I might actually do is we might launch a video. We're gonna check how good videos are with Sora, which is I think the most advanced model for creating videos. I could be wrong though. But ChatGPT is still the biggest one, I think. But I think Claude is very, very close from overtaking ChatGPT. I usually use Grok. I like Grok for some reason. It's because I think it's non-biased. Grok will tell you the truth. Right, I think I'll finish the live stream. Right, we have basically today we have completed 3 projects. We have completed the stock tracker, which I can show you right now. So this is a stock tracker. It's done a pretty good job, right? It's actually all live as well, which is nice. Yeah, right. Then we have created the snake game, which is just as simple as a snake game, right? I guess you guys probably have played a snake game at least once in your life. This is like the oldest game I think in the world. And then we have created the tibia, which hasn't been complete. We'll fix this in the next live stream. OpenAI's, I think there should be a Sora too. I'm pretty sure Sora was Google's project, no? Sora 2? No. What about Google AI video generator? What was that called? No. Okay. That's weird. I'm pretty sure Sora was Google's Gemini, whatever it's called. But I guess it's not. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Anyways. Vio. Oh yeah, maybe Vio. Maybe Vio. Vio. AI generation. Yeah, it's Google. Okay, Vio. Okay. Yeah, you're right. Okay, thank you. I forgot what's called. Okay. Can you just create me a video for free? I need to log in. Okay, I'm not doing that. I thought it's going to create me something quickly. I'll do that next time though. We're going to check videos probably. How good video generation is. Yeah. Right, I think I'll finish the live stream. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I mean, I really, really wished Claude was going to fix the game. But yeah, it's broken. It's not working properly, right? It kind of works, but not really. Okay. Yeah, I hope you guys have a nice Saturday. I hope you guys enjoy. Spend some time with family. Remember, spend some time with family. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. And yeah. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.